In this tutorial, I'll show you how to look up an academic journal by title or by subject. So we start at the library's main page, and under Library Resources, right under here, we will go to Journal and eBook List. And from if you are off campus, you'll have to do the login thing using your JAGNet credentials. And if you know the title of a journal, you can type it directly into this search box and click on search. We're looking for Health, Education, and Behavior, which is a journal, the official publication of the Society for Public Health Education. If I click on this title, I get some information about the journal, and the important information that I'm looking for is this right here. This is a peer-reviewed journal. The next thing I need to know is, what is the scope of access for this journal? We provide 3 different ways to access this journal. Naturally, you want to pick the one that provides you with the broadest range of dates for access. So in this case, that will be Sage Journals Premier. And when we click on that, we're taken directly to the home page of the journal, and we can select a variety of issues. Let's take a look at volume 50, issue 2, which was published in April of 2023. And we can just scroll down and look at the different articles that were published in this journal. And you may find some articles here that will inspire you for your topic. Right here we can get the PDF version of the journal or the EPUB version, which you could read on your device. Now let's take a look at how you might be able to find a journal when you don't know the title of the journal, but you have a particular subject that you are looking for. So let's go back to the Journal and eBook List, and now you can see underneath we can browse by discipline. And if we go over to in this alphabetical list to sports medicine, we could also look in sports and leisure. And we could also go right to the education, the general education tab right here. So this is subject, and under there we can narrow it down to by subject by going to let's see, I think sports and leisure in general, physical education, health, social science. But you see health is not showing up here. So let's go back and just look at the journal and ebook list. Right now we're browsing by discipline. Let's go to sports medicine. And now there are 80 journals just on the topic of sports medicine that we can scroll through here. This is an alphabetical list. So that's another way that you can look for a journal. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.